Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is Apple 10.9-inch iPad Air. The previous generation Apple iPad Air 10.9-inch is a sleek, intelligent tablet with the potential to change the way you work and play. Its slim, lightweight design allows it to fit easily into a bag or backpack while providing all-day battery life. The A7 chip's 64-bit architecture ensures speed and graphics performance, allowing you to run even the most demanding applications smoothly and seamlessly. For those who require more from their tablets than just apps, this model includes both an Apple Pencil and a smart keyboard for drawing or typing in any App Store app. And with a battery life of 10 hours when watching videos or listening to music, you'll have plenty of juice to work on your most exciting Procreate creations. Our second best tablet for Procreate is Apple 10.2-inch iPad. The Apple iPad 10.2-inch, which is a great tablet for anyone looking to get into digital art, may be the best creative device. It has a large 10.2-inch Retina display with a pixel density of 264p, ideal for sketching and painting. The iPad also features a powerful A10 Fusion chip, which can handle demanding creative apps such as Procreate. This chip is far more powerful than the chips found in older iPads, allowing it to handle even the most complex Procreate tasks. You can also take great photos and videos of your artwork with its 8-megapixel rear camera and 1.2-megapixel front camera. Third pick in our list is Apple iPad Mini. The Apple iPad Mini is a smaller and less expensive version of Apple's popular iPad tablets. It includes many of the same features as the original iPads, but with a smaller screen and a lower price. The Mini is ideal for those who want all of the features of an iPad but do not require a large screen. The iPad Mini's main selling points are its smaller size, lower price, and similar features to the original iPad. The Mini is ideal for those who want all of the features of an iPad but do not require a large screen. The iPad Mini has a very similar operating system to larger iPads and can run all of Apple's apps as well as most third-party iOS apps, including the Procreate app. Because of its smaller size, lower price, and similar features to the original iPads, the iPad Mini is an excellent choice for using Procreate. The iPad Mini is ideal for users who want all of the features of an iPad but do not require a large screen. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is Apple 11-inch iPad Pro. The iPad Pro 11-inch is Apple's most recent addition to the iPad Pro lineup. It's a powerful device for creatives, with an A12X Bionic chip and 8GB of RAM. It has a 2732 by 2048 resolution liquid Retina display and supports the Apple Pencil. The 11-inch iPad Pro is also among the first devices to support the new USB-C standard. The iPad Pro 11-inch is the smallest iPad Pro device, measuring 11 inches. It's still large enough to be useful, but small enough to carry with you on the go. The battery life on the iPad Pro 11-inch is up to 10 hours. That's more than enough for a full day of work. And if you need to charge it up, it only takes around 2 hours to fully recharge. For details, let's watch more. Number 5 in our top 5 best tablet for Procreate list is Microsoft Surface Pro 7. If you are an illustrator or artist, this laptop is ideal for you. Its hybrid design makes it ideal for a variety of applications. This is the thinnest and lightest device available for flawless creative work. This also provides the best painting experience for vector art. The Microsoft Surface Pro 7 is an extremely popular tablet with an Intel Core i5 processor. This is the next generation laptop that combines the functionality of a studio and a tablet. On this device, you can easily draw, touch, create, write, work, and play. There are more USB-C and USB-A connections for connecting to displays and charging devices. Its distinctive design will not burden you with an ultra-slim and light surface. The Microsoft Surface Pro 7 starts at only 1.70 pounds. In this day and age, the perfect battery timing of the gadget is all that is required. So the battery life of up to 10.5 hours, combined with the ability to charge from empty to full in just 1 hour, makes it appealing. This is the best creative device for those who need a digital moleskin while keeping their notes, emails, and files under control during artistic work. This hybrid tablet can run full Windows apps. It's a no-brainer device that artists gravitate toward. This also aids in vector art with complete perfection and creativity. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.